This is the living area, which is super spacious. It's a modular kitchen and also a lot of. So this is the master bedroom, which is very spacious. And hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Misty Woods by the builder Abhigna, which is located in JP Nagar 6th phase. Before we get to know a lot about the project, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 2.23 acres with 2 towers. The available stories are ground plus 4 floors and the available variants are 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Let's talk about the connectivity. JP Nagar metro station is just 800 meters away from this project. The Koramangala is 7 kilometers away and Mega City Mall is just 3 kilometers away from this project. And also the Kanakpura main road is just a few minutes away from this project. Top schools and top hospitals are just 10 minutes away from this project, and Meenakshi Mall is just 3 kilometers away from this project. Let's talk about the amenities. This project has lavish clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, kids swimming pool, EV points in each parking lounge, and also it has a senior citizen lounge, yoga lawn, party hall. Hello everyone, right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat road called Misty Woods by the builder Abhigna. So this is 2135 square feet super built up area. So let's go inside and check the house. So as you walk inside, on the left you can see there's a small table and shelf given for your storage of shoes. So slippers and shoes can be stored over there. And as you walk inside, you can see this is the living area, which is super spacious. And you can see this is the television unit, and right opposite to that you can decorate your sofa and the sitting area. And you can see this is the balcony in the living area, which is super spacious. It's a huge balcony, as you can see, and also they have given shelf for storage. And look at this sticker, wall sticker is really amazing, which gives you a nature vibe, and also the look from here is amazing. So now it's time to look at the kitchen in this 3 BHK flat. On the way to the kitchen, you can find this dining area, again, which is very super spacious, and you can see a lot of storage space is given. And this is the kitchen with a huge passage. It's a modular kitchen, and also a lot of storage units are given. As you can see, modular kitchen with a lot of storage units. And this is the utility area. Yes, this is the utility area with the wash basin, and also storage is given. Yes, you can use it as a washing area as well as the utility area. So wow, it's a super spacious kitchen with amazing storage units. And now it's time to look at the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is the common bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments, and also there's a window for ventilation and a very huge mirror near the wash basin. And now let's look at the first bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is the first bedroom, a very spacious bedroom. As you can see, on both the side of the bed you have a lot of space given, and there's wardrobe on the left side. And here we have a sitting area, again with huge ventilation with the big windows, and you can see it's a French sliding door. So the view is really amazing from here. And this is the attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments. The bathroom is again very spacious, just like the bedroom, with wash basin and super big mirror. And look at the interiors, it's amazing. And a lot of storage units are provided. This is an advantage actually. And now it's time to look at the second bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is the second bedroom, again very spacious, and on the left side you can see the wardrobe. And over here on the right side of the bed there's a huge window for ventilation, again very spacious, and I really love the interiors in all the bedrooms. It's unique. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom, and before that you can see over here again they've given a storage unit with a mirror and shelf for storage purpose. Before we check at the master bedroom, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey we provide sample flat tour, we give you the actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which is very spacious, and they've given a wooden floor finish. And look at the wardrobe, such a huge wardrobe, and again storage spaces. So I really loved it, and even the interiors are really amazing. Let's have a look at the bathroom of this master bedroom. So this is the bathroom of the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a huge window for ventilation. And this master bedroom has a balcony which is super spacious, and also there's a small space for garden, so you can utilize for your garden purposes. And look at this balcony, it's super spacious, and even the view is really amazing. Wow. So everything is spacious in this 3 BHK flat, as you see. And this was the video about this 3 BHK flat tour called Misty Woods by the builders Abhigna. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about this project, you can mention it in the comment section below. And if there are any feedback that you want to give us, you can mention that as well. And I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about more such amazing videos. And yes, now it's time to say bye. See you in the next video. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Misty Woods, located in Bannerghatta Road by Abhigna.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.